presence makes the day today. I repeat, I request parents not to call pre-primary students as your presence makes the day today. Now it's time for class 3 who are going to represent PT drill with sharper formation and synchronized steps. They are ready to showcase their skills provided by Memuna teacher, Habiba teacher and Afshin teacher. A heartfelt ovation for their hard work. A big round of applause for class 3.
One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. One, two, three. One, two, three. One, two, three. One, two, three. One, two. One, two, 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 one, two. One, two, 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 one. Two, one, 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 two, one. Two, one, two, one, two, one, two.
That was a fantastic performance. You all showed discipline, teamwork, and confidence. You truly made us proud today and set a wonderful example for everyone. Please give a thunderous applause for class 3. I request audience to give a thunderous applause for class 3. I request audience to wave your hands. I repeat, I request audience to wave your hands. next are the confident performers of class 4 who are going to showcase flag drill. Their drill represents dedication, strength and unity assisted by Neha teacher, Nosa teacher and Alia teacher. Sincere appreciation to their efforts and teamwork. Let us welcome class 4 with loud cheers.
कहते थे लोग जो काबिल नहीं है तू, देंगे वही सलामियाँ। दिल थाम के जहाँ देखेगा एक दिन तेरी भी कामयाबियाँ। करके देखा कमाल वो, आके ज़मीं पे दे के जाए आसमां। शाबाशियाँ, 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 शाबाशियाँ।
तेरे को बाहर कॉलेज में पढ़ने का इतना शौक है तो जयपुर चली जा।
पापा मैंने डिसाइड कर लिया लंदन जाना है तो लंदन।
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hakeem. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Positions. Positions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 up, down, 3, 4 down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Tapping. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Positions.
करिए कुछ करिए नस नस मेरी खोले हाय कुछ करिए
1,
कुछ करिए बस
Positions.
बड़ा बोले अब कुछ करिए
1, 1.
ओ कोई तो चल सिद्ध पड़िए तुम बेतरिए या मरिए
Voice big.
कोई तो चल सिद्ध पड़िए
2,
तुम बेतरिए या मरिए शक है शक है
3,
भटक दे इंडिया शक है
4, 4,
मैं तो बादलों से दूर जाऊंगी, मैं तो अपना ही सुर पाऊंगी, है जो क्रेजी क्रेजी सपने मेरे सारे चुन के मैं भूल आऊंगी। हमारा इस दुनिया की हुई नहीं, मैं अपनी ही दुनिया बनाऊंगी।
Outstanding performance. You all displayed excellent coordination and leadership. A big round of applause. I request parents to be patient and not to take children, as we have organized competitions in which children can excel and secure positions. I repeat, I request parents to be patient and not to take children, as we have organized competitions in which children can participate and excel.
I request March Past boys to come and stand in the ground. Zakir sir, Azam sir. अच्छा वहाँ है.
मेरी ये दरख्वास्त है पेरेंट्स से कि वो थोड़ा सा वेट करिए. कॉम्पिटिशन्स अभी बाकी है. कॉम्पिटिशन्स के बाद आप लोग आपके बच्चों को लेकर जा सकते हैं.
पेरेंट्स से रिक्वेस्ट है कि अपने बच्चों को अभी मत लेकर जाइए, अभी कंपटीशन बाकी है.
I request Zaki sir to come here.
मैं तो बादलों से दूर जाऊंगी, मैं तो अपना ही सुर पाऊंगी, है जो क्रेजी क्रेजी सपने मेरे सारे चुन के मैं भूल आऊंगी। हमारा इस दुनिया की हुई नहीं, मैं अपनी ही दुनिया बनाऊंगी, कि जिंदगी
Red girls, please come here. Red house girls. Red house girls, come here quickly. Come running. Come running, girls. In threes, stand in threes. Blue girls, stand in threes. Green boys, greenhouse boys. नहीं छोड़ दो खामोश. Yellow boys. Yellow boys, इधर आइए.
Sports teaches discipline, teamwork, and spirit of fair play. Today, our playground turns into a field of dreams where talent meets determination.
God
As
of
the
honor,
event
girls.
begins, let
Go
us
and take
cheer
the
for
position.
every
God of honor,
participant.
girls. Take the position. I'm sorry, teacher.
Please give a thunderous round of applause for our participants.
Ahmad Amir, Zia, and Arbaz, please come here.
पेरेंट्स से रिक्वेस्ट है, स्टूडेंट्स को मत लेकर जाइए.
Ahmad Amir,
स्पोर्ट्स
हमदान.
कंप्लीट होने के बाद लेकर जा सकते हैं हम. वन प्राइमरी प्राइमरी स्टूडेंट्स को 1 बजे लेकर जा सकते हैं, 2 बजे लेकर जा सकते हैं. प्री प्राइमरी स्टूडेंट्स को 2 बजे लेकर जा सकते हैं. प्री प्राइमरी 1 बजे लेकर जा सकते हैं आप. फर्स्ट और सेकंड क्लास के स्टूडेंट्स को 2 बजे लेके आ सकते हैं.
पता है कमाल की बात क्या है? ये चौक को ऊपर से हल्का सा तोड़ दो तो ये चू चू नहीं करेगा. एक चू.
जब तू अपने दम पर फूक मार के धूल झाड़ ले, छोड़ छाड़ के सारे चप्पर खोल दे पर, 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 खोल दे पर. बंद घड़ी की भी रुकी हुई सुई होती सही 2 दफा. चुप क्यों है रहना, मन का तू कहना, रोके चाहे हिचकियां.
क्लास फिजिक्स की चल रही थी, मैथ्स की या ऑमलेट बनाने की?
स्कूल के बाहर जब जिंदगी इम्तिहान लेती है तो सब्जेक्ट वाइज नहीं लेती.
सोचा कहाँ था ये जो हो गया, माना कहाँ था ये लो हो गया. चुटकी कोई काटो ना है हम तो होश में, कदमों को थामो ये है उड़ते जोश में. बादल पे पाँव है या झूठा गाँव है, अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है. बादल पे पाँव है या झूठा
पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है, बादल पे पाँव है या झूठा गाँव है, अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है। चल पड़े हैं हम सफर, अजनबी तो है डगर, लगता हमको मगर कुछ कर देंगे हम मगर, ख्वाब में जो दिखा पर था छिपा बस जाएगा वो नगर। बादल पे पाँव है या झूठा गाँव है, अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है, बादल पे पाँव है या झूठा गाँव है, अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है।
छोरी है, समझ के लड़ियो।
Boys, Huzef, come down. Boys, Huzef, Azam, Hamdan, come down. Come here. Come and meet me here. You should come within a minute. Come running. Meet me here.
आज हम 2 किलोमीटर ज्यादा भागेंगे।
कुछ करिए नस नस मेरी खोले, हाय कुछ करिए, कुछ करिए बस बस बड़ा बोले, अब कुछ करिए। ओ कोई तो चल जिद फड़िए, तू बेतरिए या मरिए, हाय कोई तो चल जिद फड़िए, तू बेतरिए या मरिए। चक दे इंडिया, चक दे इंडिया, चक दे इंडिया, चक दे इंडिया। लड़ती पतंगों में, भिड़ती उमंगों में, खेलों के मेलों में, पल खाती रेलों में, गन्नों के मीठे में, खद्दर में छींटे में, ढूंढो तो मिल जाओगे, तपता वो ईंटों में। रंग है समाज निखरे और खुल के आज बिखरे, मन जाए ऐसी होली, रग रग मचल के बोली। टस है ना मस है जी, जिद है ता जिद है जी, किसना यूं ही पिसना यूं ही पिसना यूं ही बस करिए। कोई तो चल जिद फड़िए, तू बेतरिए या मरिए, हाय कोई तो चल जिद फड़िए, तू बेतरिए या मरिए। चक दे
Teacher, same guest, same guest.
We are deeply honored by our gracious presence of our chief guest, Mr. Tariq Ansari, sir, Chairman of Telangana State Minorities Commission. Sir, your presence today is a great source of inspiration for our students, and we are truly privileged to have you with us. On behalf of entire institution, I extend a warm welcome to all of you. Proud and meaningful moment of today's program, the hosting of the flag. The school flag is a symbol of our identity, values, discipline, and unity. It reminds us of our responsibility to uphold the honor and dignity of our institution. I now request our respected chairman, sir, director madam, principal madam, and all the guests to kindly come forward for the hosting of school flag. I also request everyone to please stand in attention.
School song girls, please come here. School song girls, please come.
Please give a huge round of applause.
स्कूल सावधान, स्कूल विश्राम, स्कूल सावधान, स्कूल तीनों तीन में दाहिने मुड़ेगा, दाहिने मुड़।
We now move forward to one of the most inspiring and disciplined segments of today's program, the March Past. This event is a proud display of unity, coordination, leadership, and the true spirit of sportsmanship.
तीनों तीन में सामने से तेज चलेगा, तेज चल।
All houses are led by Deputy Head Boy Ahmed Amir and Sports Captain Zia Khan, followed by dynamic duo Head Boy Muhammad Usman and Head Girl Alia Begum, and our supporting team Deputy Head Girl Hafsa Amina and Vice Sports Captain Arshia Fatima. Each house marching today represents not only colors but also values that shape our character and teamwork. Let us welcome the houses one by one with a huge round of applause. Leading the march is the Red House, the Achievers. Under the able leadership of their captain Soeb Siddiqui of Class 8, Red House stands for strength, courage, determination and leadership. Their synchronized steps and confident posture reflect their never-give-up attitude and strong team spirit. Let us appreciate the discipline and energy of Red House with a huge round of applause. Marching gracefully next is Blue House, the Motivators. Led by their captain Ayaz of Class 9, Blue House symbolizes peace, confidence, loyalty and responsibility. Their calm yet powerful march shows unity and focus, reminding us that true strength lies in discipline and self-belief. Let's encourage the Blue House with a loud applause. Here comes the Green House, the Innovators. Proudly led by their captain Abdul Rahman of Class 8, Green House represents growth, harmony, balance and excellence. Their well-coordinated movements reflect teamwork and perseverance. The greenhouse truly inspires us to grow together while staying connected to values and nature. Put your hands together for Greenhouse. Finally, we welcome the Yellow House, the successors, marching energetically under the leadership of their captain Saeed Sadi of Class 9th. Yellow House stands for energy, enthusiasm, optimism and positivity. Their confident march spreads joy and motivation, reminding us to face challenges with a bright smile and strong spirit. Let's give them a loud and cheerful round of applause. All four houses have demonstrated outstanding discipline, coordination, and team spirit. A big salute to all the students, captains, and house teachers for their hard work and dedication.
School thumb. School Vishram.
Torch run, boys and girls. Amina Binte Faisal, Zia Khan, Sumaya Salam. Zia Khan. Amina Binte Faisal, Sumaya Salam, Gudar. Amina Binte Faisal. आगे.
Today, this torch is being carried by the students who have achieved remarkable success at district and state levels, making us all proud. We are also proud to have Zia Khan, who has achieved excellence by winning SGFI under 17 high jump at state level. This remarkable achievement highlights determination, focus, and the courage to aim higher. Next, we have Amina bint Faisal, who has won SGFI under 14 Kabaddi at district level. Her success is a true example of dedication, discipline, and sportsmanship. Joining them is the Arbaz Pathan, who has made us proud by winning SGFI under 14 Kabaddi at district level. His achievement reflects commitment, hard work, and team spirit. Leading the torch run is Sumaya Salam of class 9, who has showcased outstanding talent by winning SGFI under 17 Kabaddi at district level and Karate winner at district level. Her achievement reflects strength, teamwork, and perseverance. As these achievers carry torch today, they inspire every student to dream big, work hard, and strive for excellence. Let us motivate them with a round of applause and carry forward the spirit they represent.
respected director ma'am, principal ma'am, all the teachers, non-teaching staff, PT staff, all the parents, and my dear students. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, one and all. Today we gather to celebrate not just sports, but the spirit of determination and teamwork. Determination itself says not to give up. And we are here to play the games. We are here to win the games, but in a fair manner. Determination, as I said, itself is saying not to give up. Not to give up at any cost. Not to give up at any cost means what? Not to give up at any cost means you must put your 100% energy to win the game, but in case, because winning and losing is a two sides of same coins. If you lose, it doesn't mean that you did not give your 100%, you have not given your 100%. It means the opponent team, opponent player has given better than you, performed better than you, so we need to value them. And when it comes to teamwork, since many days you have been practicing as a team, in some games, solo games, individual games, but you might have learned the spirit, you might have learned the, duties and responsibilities when you are in a team, being an individual. What teamwork teaches us? We need to understand what teamwork teaches us. Teamwork teaches us patience. Without patience, any team winning is not possible. And you might have heard about Mahendra Singh Dhoni. To him, many people call Captain Cool. What's the reason behind that? He has that level of patience that a sports person should possess. So, my dear students, as we are going to compete today, you all are going to compete in different games. Make sure to respect each and every individual. Make sure to follow the rules and regulations set by the game. And moreover, you need to respect the person who is responsible for the game, coach. In the same way, as I said, a referee is responsible. You need to follow the referee. Without following referee, can we conduct any game? No, right? Referee's instructions are more important to us. We need to follow the instruction of referee in order to keep the game alive. In the same way, in our day-to-day life, we need to follow the instructions and saying by our parents, our elders and teachers in order to achieve success in all aspects of our life. That's what teamwork teaches us. Now at this moment, without taking much time, let the competition begin, and may this day mark another wonderful chapter in our school's legacy. Thank you. Now I declare sports meet open.
Clap. Clap.
School, सावधान.
Zaki sir. Before dispersing, we'll follow.
फिल्म रिलीजिंग करेंगे सर
हाँ
फिल्म रिलीजिंग करेंगे
क्या करेंगे